Hello there, I'm Tegustu Zariun. This is my channel. Try to motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue selection and navigation keys. Here, as in quotation, always first selection, then action. When we use a method, we have to first select any text, or we have to show the system by locating our cursor, what we want to do, before performing a specific task. That it says always first selection, then action. Don't forget. Here, if you want to use clipboard and pasting, for instance, the clipboard key is here. You will not may give an attention. Under parenthesis, it says Control P, C, copy. Put a copy of this selection on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. It says above there, Control plus X, cut. Remove the selection and put it to the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. Add content on the clipboard to your document. Finished. What do you mean by control? I mean copy paste. In short, it is an operation. Copy paste means duplicating. Cut paste means moving. In case of copy paste, we are duplicating. If you want to the same text on the first and the second page, you have to copy rather than cut. In case of rearranging or changing the order of the lines, you have to use cut. For instance, if you want to the second to the third and the third to the first, possible to use cut paste and we can rearrange rather than typing again. Here, before performing this operation, Ctrl C, copy, Ctrl X, cut, Ctrl V, paste. We have to select first all the text, Ctrl A, Ctrl N. Here, for instance, is equal to what the use of is equal to RND. Under parenthesis, it displays three text is equal to RA ND open parenthesis then close parenthesis, enter. You get three paragraph text. Then let me show you how to copy paste, for instance. But first we have to perform this operation. First we have to select this. First selection, then action. Control A, select all. Control A to select all. Control A, select all. Shift plus arrow keys on the keyboard. There are arrow keys here on the right side. For instance, and select by clicking once on any place. Shift with plus right. Select this one character. Just without releasing shift key to the right side. Arrow keys, the down, then unselect. We can put cursor here, up arrow key. By using up arrow key, we can select the two paragraphs, or it's possible to use only to select the first paragraph. You can use the directional arrows with shift key to select a specific line or paragraph. It is selected. Now Control C. It is copied. Then enter key. The cursor is now here. Control V. It is replicated. You can repeat again Control V. Okay, Control Z is back. Control Y is repeat. Then rearrange Control X. Here you can change the order of the text by using cut paste. Control Home, it helps you to go to the move the new line control hook. For today is enough. Thank you.